Oh yeah.
There ain't a woman in the world that wants to hear the word yes. When she asks you if you think that she looks chubby in that dress, and if she cooks all day, you better eat it with a smile. It doesn't matter if it tastes just like bad gravy on a Goodyear tire. Alright, so you've been the truth. That's something that you'll have to get used to, 'cause that's a love, you'll see. We all commit a little bit of perjury, oh, but that's no crime if you ask me, that's love. You're staring at a burnt steak, you bite the bullet and you clean your plate, and you go on and on about how great it was. That's not a lie, that's love. Well, it's the very same thing that she does for you. When she doesn't bring up the 15 pounds that you need to lose, and every time she runs her fingers through your hair, and she says she kinda likes the way there's not as much of it there. Alright, so she bends the truth. That's something that you have to get used to, 'cause that's love, you'll see. We all commit a little bit of perjury, oh, but that's no crime if you ask me, that's love. You're bumming out, so she says there's something kinda sexy about a bald head. Oh, and honey, it'll make you look twice as tough. That's not a lie, that's love. So you've been the truth. That's something that you're both gonna do, 'cause that's a love, you'll see. We all commit a little bit of perjury. You say I like it when your mama comes to visit us. That's not a lie, that's not a lie, that's love.